Go.
Bitcoin babies. There we go.
Yeah, let's
Big
go,
hand
let's
for
go,
Bitcoin
let's go.
babies.
Hello, guys. Okay, in our space of Bitcoin, naturally, we talk about hyper-Bitcoinization like it's something that just happens, right? What you are seeing here, can you play, please play the video? What you are seeing here is some guy trying to start a car. I don't know how many of us have seen someone starting a car in this way.
Film later.
But it is one of the most difficult things you've ever seen. To crank a car for it to start, it is one of the most difficult things you've ever seen, right? This is what most circular economies go through. Right or wrong? This is how most circular economies have been trying to grab the crank and turn and turn and turn until it starts going. Once you've started your car and the engine is in motion, you'll drive and let go the crank, right? That's what you are doing at Bitcoin Babies. We've been cranking for long. We've been turning the crank. Right now, we have around 15 merchants who are accepting Bitcoin whether you like it or not. You have no option. In our local community, it is that simple. You have to have sats to buy anything that you want. We have all the services you want. You want a doctor, you'll get. You want a grocery store, you'll get. You want a supermarket, you'll get. But the good thing about our engine, the moment that it started, we have seen several results. This statement says inertia is the enemy. If you experience inertia, you're experiencing resistance to change, right? But if you apply brute force, which is cranking, if you apply brute force, you will overcome inertia, which, in simpler terms, you're applying friction, right? Yes. So when your car starts and goes, you'll let go of the crank, which in our case are a few merchants here who have decided to accept Bitcoin. This is GMAX Supermarket. This is Warusho Millers. This is Beauty Secret Salon. These merchants, we didn't just give them wallets. This is rebranding we did for them. We made a makeover for them. We tried to make Bitcoin as much physically visible for anyone who comes to purchase or to do any transactions in the circular economy. But over the years, over the few months, we've made some improvements here and there. We've done around 202 transactions just from January, this January actually, which is around more than 500,000 certain transaction volume. So our merchants are no longer trying to convince people to buy in Bitcoin. They are receiving Bitcoin payments from even pre-Bitcoiners in the economy, in the local community. Eve is our program manager for Bitcoin Babies program. The mothers receive only $5 a week. Those $5 are not enough to sustain the circular economy. So our pre-Bitcoiners are borrowing the idea from the mothers now. Those mothers tell them, hey, we have discounts for this and this. Will you go and buy? Yes. Give me your Bitcoin. Let me download a Bitcoin wallet, mostly Blink. They receive the sats. We have someone who sells Beauty Secret Salon, sells Bitcoin. Here, we sell Bitcoin at Beauty Secret Salon. You go purchase your Bitcoin, go purchase your products. You don't have another option. But over the few months, you've made those transactions, and here we are, representing Bitcoin Babies, representing Kimbo and Matangi in one piece. And hyper-Bitcoinization is real, and it is not gravity or something that just happens. You need to apply brute force for it to function. This is the Bitcoin Baby circular economy, and we are glad. These are the transactions we've been doing for January alone. You can visit our dashboard and see all the transactions that happen. And these are a few of the merchants' interconnections. A butcher can buy from the supermarket. A grocery store owner can buy from the butcher. If you want a salonist, she will make for you your hair, your anything you want. And these are our merchants. They are not just holding bags. They are a living proof that Bitcoin works.
Thank you.
Thank you.